Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces for your general energies, career situation and relationship guys Pisces. We are picking few cards guys. So these are for your general energies Pisces. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle guidance. So I will leave it here. We will see what it is after the reading guys, so that may give us clarity or it will be a simple guidance what we can do every day guys Pisces. So let's start with these cards guys Pisces. We have choices, clover and coffin. So Pisces, in your situation today guys, there are sudden changes or something is out of control, worrying you a lot. You may see drastic changes in your career or in your relationship. Something unexpected is happening and that is worrying you a lot guys, and you are simply baffled. You are it is not even giving you time to react. Something has happened suddenly. You are simply baffled and shocked by the way things are going in your situation guys. And Pisces, you also have many choices in your life guys. That you may have certain choices opening for you in your career situation, offers or opportunities. Nothing is right or wrong, it is just your own decision, whatever you need or whatever you have that inclination to follow. So that will be the right thing for you today. But Pisces, I also see that you are going to get very lucky today guys. Some rare opportunity is reaching you today. So it may be in your relationship or it may be in your career situation. Maybe someone you wished for is coming, proposing to you, or in your career, maybe it may be a major breakthrough in your life, guys. Pisces is happening today for you all. But there are some troubles also in your situation, but you are going to overcome all that with this good luck that is coming, this great opportunity that is coming, that is going to change the way things are going in your life today guys Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Lady. So with this card, it just means that you are seeing someone. This person is also interested in love, interested in this relationship with you guys. So they see you as someone interesting and they love you and they are also attracted to you guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the Key. So again, a very positive card here guys. So if you are having some doubts, confusion, something is not clear, you are going to find that clarity today guys. So whatever is missing, you are going to find that missing link to success today guys Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. It is Hope. Such a beautiful card here guys. So each and every day we see so many troubles, people struggling all around us. We feel stressed, sad because of that. We feel heavy seeing their troubles. We don't know where to start or what to do to relieve them in some way. But we can start in a small way guys, just giving a smile or a kind word to that person who's suffering. It may be that person may be an unknown stranger. But when you smile or give them a pat or just say few words that is going to heal their heart. We are not just helping, we are instilling hope in their heart guys, and that will take them a long way in their life. So they will realize the purpose and direction, and in turn it is also going to help us realize the purpose of our life and give us direction in our life guys. So the small acts of kindness is what is going to bring hope in that other person and also heal us, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.